backward zone. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Pushpa Mam from 5th grade. Word of the day: confident meaning. Confident means feel sure about yourself. You use this word someone belongs in their ability. Example: I feel confident before my exams. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Jnanaprasna from 5th grade. Sloka: Ajnanatimiram dasya jnanam jalashalakaya చక్షుర్మిలితం యన తస్మై శ్రీ గురవే నమః. అర్థం: అజ్ఞానము అనే చీకటి వల్ల గుడ్డివాడు అయిన నా కళ్ళకు జ్ఞానము అనే అంజనమును చాచే శలక కళ్ళతో కళ్ళు తెరవబెట్టి మేల్కొల్పిన శ్రీ గురువుకు నమస్కారాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్. Good morning everyone. Myself Ricket from 5th grade. Good morning everyone. Myself Bayan from 5th grade. Today great personality: Tipu Sultan was a brave ruler of Mysore. He was born in the year 1751. His father was Hyder Ali. He loved his country deeply. He fought against the British. He was a strong and fearless leader. He believed in courage and self-respect. He did really well protecting his kingdom. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Samantha from 5th grade. Today news: Santa to foster that creation of growth. Dutch pandemics by amateur courts do drop anti cases. Good morning everyone. Myself Sony from 5th grade. Today news: NCERT's new Classes 8 books list cooperation in judiciary, massive backlog as challenges. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Nikita from 5th grade. JEE Main 2026 NTA to end. JEE Main sent to application in rehabilitation psychology. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. My name is Arnadu from 5th grade. Apple to shift some Mac mini production to how many from Asia. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Jainarana from 5th grade. Today news: Samsung Galaxy S26 unit on 5G. What to expect from Samsung next flagship. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Bayan from 5th grade. Today song: మల్లెపూల పల్లకి బంగారు పల్లకి మనకంటుడెక్కినాడు అందాల పల్లకి. 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 విల్లాలి వీడు ఎక్కినాడు పల్లకి వీరమణి కంఠుడు ఎక్కినాడు పల్లకి. విల్లాలి వీడు ఎక్కినాడు పల్లకి వీరమణి కంఠుడు ఎక్కినాడు పల్లకి. హే పందల బాలుడు పదమావాసుడు హరిహర తనయుడు ఎక్కినాడు పల్లకి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. myself class 50 from 5th grade. Good morning everyone. Myself Manohar from 5th grade. Now we are going to present a short conversation on importance of discipline on school life. Do you really think discipline is that important? Of course, discipline helps us manage our time, respect others and achieve our goals. But some students feel rules take away freedom. Actually, discipline teaches us responsibility. So friends, let's be punctual and respectful.